What up, Gas Nation?
Hey everybody, what's going on?
Well, you could dude. Okay, look at my codfish. Can you get out of my face with that boy?
Mama wants to know. Mama wants to know where her coffee is.
Okay, I'm giving it to her.
Get that knife out of the thing, Marina. That's dangerous.
Back away from me, dude.
Hi, Jenny.
All right, let me make her coffee. Can you? I will hit you with this pot. All right. See, I almost fell because of you. Can you get out of my face?
Marina, you have to do this for the content.
Today.
You have to do it for the content. They want extreme close-ups.
David. Okay, so
how do you make Mama's coffee?
He came in here to bug me.
For content.
So I filled it out.
All right.
You want creamer, Ma?
You have to say it in Portuguese.
I'll give you some creamer if you
After
fart.
Mama said it's okay, David. I don't need you. He comes in.
I know. One or two.
I know, Christina. That's the way I am.
Can you stop?
She was like, hold on. Maxi, you don't want that.
You know how she likes it.
Yeah, she only likes two.
She wants cream?
I don't know. No. Christina, do you think my mother wants cream?
Alright. Hashtag one if my mom wants cream.
Doesn't that give her diarrhea?
I don't care. Yeah, we'll be gagging. Me and David, oh my god.
Don't talk about that. Christina likes the cream, but my mom can't handle it. Alright, let's go take it. Jenny said one.
My face. French fries.
Bacalhau. Bacalhau in the chat.
What? I know, it's a fuzzer.
Bacalhau in the chat. Richard Alexander Productions, what up?
Too bad, that means Groose now. Can you?
Richard Alexander said, wow.
Alright. Song of the day. I love you. You love me. Where are you?
Two-step.
Family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you.
Two-step.
Won't you say you love me too? Okay.
Now do a roll. Do a roll, Marina. Do a roll like Jenny did.
Huh?
Do a roll like she did.
Oh my god, you're gonna make me burn my food.
You have to do it for the content.
Jesus. Wait, I'm gonna break my neck. I'm not on the bed.
You want me to grab your leg?
Huh?
You want me to grab your leg and push you up? Don't roll on the cat.
Ready?
Don't roll on Chica.
Oh, that's good. No, like.
Oh yeah, that's right. You go down on one knee and do a roll on your back.
Alright guys, this is what happens when there's a fire. Okay? You have to stop, drop, and roll. Come on.
She's gonna fart if you lift up her leg.
It was silent. Breath. This is, dude. Can you tell? She thought I thought it said. Can you get that? Can you get that? Can you get that? Now, so she. He farted, guys. You guys heard that.
That's a boofa, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, right. That's a. Why?
It's not in your face. This is in your face. Oh, you look so pretty. Oh.
Oh. I'm gonna slap the.
I'm too.
I'm making codfish. Can you get that out of my face? Look at it. All right.
The floor's hot lava. The floor's hot lava.
If the floor's hot lava, what?
The floor's hot lava.
Oh. Okay, so my brother just burnt my back. This is what you do. Oh! You drop and you roll. Okay? And then if it doesn't go, you just pat yourself down like this. Alright. Like a dead fish that I boiled. Alright guys, so taking the french fries. Come on.
I'm dying of laughter.
Come on.
Cammy's dying of laughter.
I was too lazy to peel the potatoes, but like I said, this.
Oh my God! Run!
Run!
Marina.
Woo!
Run.
Lava!
Oh! What did you break?
Ow.
What did you break? Marina, hot lava.
Ew! You're sick. Sandy.
Give her that tongue. Give Sandy that tongue.
Okay. David told me to do it, Sandra. She's probably showing people at work that. They're gonna be like, what the heck?
Your family is weird.
Who said that? Who said that?
Santa said it. No, I'm joking.
Honey, you're part of it. There's no background now.
There ain't no coming back from this.
There's no coming back from being in my family. Alright.
She said laughing my ass off. Nancy saw that.
Who?
I
knew she was showing something at work. Hi, Nancy!
Wait, do the 1-2 step for Nancy.
Alright.
The 1-2 step.
Nancy.
Get back.
Oh. Running man. Come on. Just hit me in my
If
foot.
everybody wants to see the bee attack Marina, hashtag bee in the chat.
Yeah. Alright. Guys, I'm sorry if you can't get it. My brother's being foolish right now. Alright, can you show them how I'm cooking? Alright, so you take the... He's getting me so mad right now. Guys.
Oh well.
Yeah, he's...
Look at your face up there, Marina.
You. Ah! You see, David, what you did? Let me rinse that.
People are hashtagging the bee in the chat.
Alright. Go ahead. Over here. Come on.
Wasp and hornet.
Ooh, my eyes hurt.
Yo, Marina.
Damn, David.
Marina.
You were struggling.
That's embarrassing.
I wish I could fart. I'm not embarrassed. They call me gas station for a reason. Listen.
That was the annoying. That was the annoying bumblebee.
Yeah, my brother's gonna catch a beating. Alright, guys. I'm about to throw a hot oil on you.
Why you always cover your face?
I knew when I...
Oh, bacalhau? Alright, there it is.
Well, bacalhau.
Bacalhau, Cole.
No, that says Rico at the end.
Okay, it's bacalhau. Right there. Bacalhau.
Pollock fillets.
Bacalhau.
Oh, excuse me.
Don't squeeze. You'll have a 7-layer dip hanging on the roof.
What is it?
Look at. Don't squeeze. Or you'll have a 7-layer dip.
You'll have a 7-layer dip in your underwear. You should talk to my brother about you farted 3 times already in your life.
I want a shirt.
Stop, because my stomach
Wait, she said I want a shirt with both Marina and David. I will be holding her leg in the air, and it says gas station.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna die.
My 11-year-old the other day.
Rise up.